name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm preparing a personal video for you. We let you know that we are open all year around here, except the holidays. Our schedule, it's Monday to Thursday 9 to 7, Friday 9 to 6, and Saturday 10 to 4 p.m. We're open here to service to customers that we carry 3 lines, which is Suzuki, Yamaha, and Aprilia. We do have parts and accessories behind the door and that Aprilia line. At the same time, we'll let you know that we have a pre-owned motorcycle, all the brands, and ready, fully safe and certified, and we are at Kill and Highway 7. If you have more questions, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. Thank you.